Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 98 of building the Enterprise-D. This time we're putting another panel on. We got to put the escape pods in place. So, yeah, actually, I'm going to not show you this. I'm going to cut to the chase. I shall put these in place. I shall put the panels on as they should be. And we'll see about attaching this onto the saucer section. I'll come back in just a sec. So, yes, all of the escape pods fitted as they should be. Saucer section back ready. This just goes on there. Now, I did have trouble fitting this on there. I had to take the previous one off and adjust this light. The bulb had slipped out and wasn't quite lined up properly. Now it is, and the correct navigation light is now illuminating much nicer than it was. So this obviously then just falls in place on there. There's no bulbs to worry about on that. We've got the, as ever, 2 FM screws to hold this in place. One through there, would be easy, and the other one through here on the outside bit. So that is another strip to the underside of the saucer section done. We're back to being symmetrical again now. Let's get that cover on there, right way round, like so. There we go. So yeah, that's now coming along quite nicely. It's getting there. We've obviously done the entire the other side. We've got a couple of bits. Yeah, we've got framework. One more bit of framework either side already built. Then we've obviously got the middle bit to build up, which is how it's going to attach. That's going to be the interesting bit. Probably not next time. Probably the time after. But that's that. Let me clear this out the way, and we'll get to the other bit that we've got and the bit we got last time. So see you in just a sec. So we're back at the battle section that we put the windows on last time. We're going to be doing this in a strange way. We're fitting the windows to that and having them sort of sticking out underneath. Now they are obviously going to fit onto there, but not quite yet. I'm going to leave that with it because it's easier to keep track of everything sort of together. And I don't want to have bits sticking out, but that's going on there. We do need another escape pod cover in that gap there. And then this piece will go over here, like so, held in place with 2 BP screws. But before we do that, we've got to fit the bulbs. We've got one from this side, which we're going to attach. Put them out a little bit. That goes under there, like so. And the one that we've got loose from over this side will go under the, and that comes out from there as well. That's going to go under there as well. So hopefully with both of these in, that should hold that a little bit more securely in place. So let's get the screws in there. That should be that. That's this is the last section of this part of the build. So yeah, the battle section is starting to come together. Obviously this is going to fit onto the underside of the whole top bit that we've done the battle section already. Lined up there. Now it's going to be right in front of that. Oh, so I'm going to bend these around so we can get to that screw hole when we need to, or whatever. Get that tightened down there, that one tightened down there. I'm going to go and make sure these are tightened down. It was. It's obviously just not a great fit in there. Once everything's over the top, it's going to be fine. That's going to be there. We do need those to be out the way because this is where that central laser array thing fits. Let's do a little bit of maneuvering around that now so we know where we are. So that is that. Another issue done, another month done, and that is how that's going to fit together. Lots of windows on the underside of this, isn't there? A couple of escape pods there as well, obviously put in before we go too far. And then, yeah, that's going to be a screw hole to hold it onto the frame, and then there'll be another laser sticker that's going to go over there and over there as well, no doubt. Probably plugs to go over there. So that's that. Another issue done, another month done. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a like and a comment if you are. And I'll see you soon for the next part of the Enterprise-D. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.